So, good morning, guys. This is Ravi Sharma in front of you again with the 50th challenge. And today I'm very much energetic. It's Monday, and it was Sunday yesterday, so there was the holiday at gym, so I didn't go over there. But there were other activities that I did, so there were other activities that I did yesterday, and you may have seen them on the video too, right? So let's see the time. What's the time today? 6:35 or 6:40, right? So let's start the journey. Right? This is my water, and this is my black coffee, and this is water lemon water, right? So, as my daughter is going to school, and my wife has made this for her, it is called fritters, right? Fritters means pakode, so it's called fritters, and yummy, delicious. It is tasty, and it is piping hot. One thing is called hot garam. एक होता है गर्मा गर्म. Don't say hot hot. Garma garam means piping hot. The piping hot fritters. Sometimes you may have seen that vendors are shouting at railway station, गर्मा गर्म चाय, गर्मा गर्म चाय. तो अगर कभी आपको मौका मिले चाय बेचने का, तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? Piping hot tea, piping hot tea, piping hot tea, piping hot tea. Right? And garma garam bhajia. Then piping hot fritters. To sell them in English will be called hi-fi vendor. If you are lying in the bed, you will use the preposition in. If you are resting, sleeping, so you will use the word in bed, because the bed is used for lying or sleeping. But if you're doing other works, right, like this is my tea, and I'm having tea. Bed is not made to have tea, so I'll use the word on. I'm having tea on bed. And now, this is my laptop. If I'm doing my office work on bed, I will use the word on bed. But this is not the work for the bed. Bed is for sleeping and other activities, right? So sleeping, lying, resting, use the word in, because these three things are done on bed. And if you're doing other work, like your bed is not made for taking tea, bed is not made for doing the office work, you will use the word on bed. Bed is not made for the study. Bed is not made to do the homework. So whenever you're doing other work apart from lying, resting, sleeping, use the word on bed. And if you're sleeping, resting, and taking rest, use the word in bed. All right? I'm leaving the room, but I have not taken my tea yet, because she has come. And whenever she's near me, I just go away from there, because and she always asks me, why do you always avoid me? So only one song I remember whenever I see my wife, and the song is कितना खतरनाक तैनू रब ने बनाया, जी करे बसता रहूं, जी करे भगता रहूं. So before going out, I need to just wet my hair so that I can look good, because you know very well my hair, it looks like I've got shock. It looks like I've got electric shock. Like that. Am I right? So let's wet the hair, then tell me how my look comes. Right? I know very well I don't look good at present, but wait for 4 or 5 months and you'll see the change. The hair is straight now, yeah, but side hair is not good. But don't worry, I'm going to gym. I'm not going to meet my girlfriend, right? So it's okay. Let's start the journey. But again, the first walk we need to remember that is walking Benny, walking the dog. And kutto ko mana hota hai, walk the dog. I'm going to walk the dog. And before that, I need to see also that has he pooped or not. If he has pooped, we need to clean it. Would you accompany me? साथ दोगे मेरा? Would you accompany me? So, Benny is here. How are you? And only some small pieces. It's okay. I'll manage. Some days ago, I went to buy his juice, so I got it free of cost with that. So now his biscuits and my biscuits are changed, right? Until these biscuits finish, he will have this biscuit and I will have my different biscuit. And once it is over, both of us will have the same biscuit. Not same biscuit, different biscuit. So some days ago, his food was over, so I went to buy juice for him. So I got it free of cost with it. So now, one problem is there. His biscuits and my biscuits are different now. Earlier, his biscuits and my biscuits were same. Now he takes it and I take my Parle-G and Marigold. So until these biscuits end, he will have these biscuits and I will have that one, right? So let's start. I feed him these biscuits and clean it, and after that we'll go to walking. Benny! Okay, he's not listening to me. So now we have arrived home. So let's drop him here and go to gym. So it's time to go to gym, but Bhai Saab is ready again. What happened? Stay here. Okay? No, he is fond of riding. What is there fond of? And his शौक है. So it's a riding का बहुत शौक है. He's fond of riding. And now again, one round more. Right? As my Ben is fond of riding. So what are you fond of? Are you fond of smoking? Are you fond of cooking? Are you fond of studying? Yeah, are you fond of sleeping? Maximum girls are fond of sleeping. तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है, मुझे भी शौक है सोने का. I'm fond of sleeping too. So good morning, sir. This is the बेटे का फोन. क्या भाभी का फोन? भाभी का फोन भाई के पास. ये किसका? ये बेटे का. And this Suraj sir, he is the best trainer of Walkway Gym.
Thank you, sir.
Right? If you come over here and if you want the best trainer, only he is the person. He is also good, but best is this.
Thank you,
Right?
sir.
And Arvind Sharma ji, one of my good friends and very good personality. Right? Sir, what is the exercise today?
Chest workout.
Chest workout. So guys, I do the warm up first, and after that we go for the chest workout. The first exercise that has told me to do is push-ups. Push-ups. Push-up is the first exercise.
Where are you? क्या हुआ सर?
कंधे भी साथ में दे रहे
है?
कंधे भी साथ में दे रहे
फॉर्म चेंज. रोलर स्लो डाला है क्या? Five, 6,
First exercise is seated demo. Right? This is there because the bench on which I want to take my chest exercise, it is not free. Somebody has hogged it. One word I have used here, hogged. H-O-G-G-E-D, hogged. Third form of hog. If somebody is using any equipment for a long time and others are not able to use it, we say hog. एक खेड़ा खा उसने बाथरूम करके he has hogged the bathroom and आध घंटे से नहा रहा है and he has hogged the bathroom. Second set of the second exercise is flat bench and let's see how many sets I take, how many reps I take of the second exercise. It's the second set. First set I have taken a 5 kg, now it is 1 kg plate.
चलिए 1 2 3 शाबाश 4 5 6 7
This is the last exercise, the third exercise. Incline 1.
Five.
The chest exercise is over. Now the sides exercise start. Sides matlab
Sides
this side.
raises.
Sides raises. Okay, sides raises. Let's see. I've done 25, 200 reps of sides raises and front raises. So now let's do the cardio and go home. 10 minutes cardio and after that let's do last weight. I have not done cardio much. So my dear friends, it's time to say goodbye to sir and the gym. Okay sir, goodbye sir.
Goodbye.
Okay sir, goodbye sir. Ankit sir, goodbye. So I have come back from gym and after breakfast. This is here. What happened, Benny? To my studio, which I have made at my home to take my online class. I'm not a bit late, but it's okay. This batch is going to end. Time, जैसे 7 बजे का पढ़ने का टाइम है और 8 बज रहे हैं, या 7 बजे दवाई खाने का टाइम है और 8 बज गए हैं, तो तब बोलते हैं इस टाइम यू टुक मेडिसिन, तो मैं दवाई लेनी चाहिए थी. अब जैसे कि कई बार क्या होता है, सासू माँ ने आपका बर्तन धोने के लिए कहा, राइट, आप बर्तन धोने चले गए, मैंने एज यूजुअल स्लो मोशन, सारी बहुएं जाहिल काहिल सासू माँ सोचती है 10-15 मिनट होने के बाद ही सासू माँ के बोलेगी, अरे बेटा इतने से बर्तन में तो टाइम लग गया है. तो इस टाइम यू डिड द डिशेज, है, तो मैं तब तक कर लेना चाहिए था बर्तन धोने का. मैं तब बोलते इस टाइम डू
You did dish.